Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new ring light that I just got in from Amazon, and it's the ZOMEI LED ring light. Now this is an 18-inch, they also have a 14-inch, and I needed to get another ring light because the one I'm using, it still works, but it doesn't have the dimmable, which I really wanted. When I first bought that ring light maybe about 3 years ago, I thought I ordered the one that had the dimmable, but when I got it in, it didn't have it. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and we can see what comes with this ring light. So the first thing is the plug that comes with it. Hey baby, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, he wants to be in the picture. He thinks this is for him. Hi, Rascal. Say hi. Hi. Okay. And it comes with a nice carrying case. See, it's ZOMEI. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's wrapped in bubble wrap, which keeps it safe. And the other reason why I wanted to get this one is it has another feature where you can, there's two different knobs here. One is a dimmable and one is to either make it cool or warm, the light. And instead of like the other ones I've seen before where you would have to pull this off and change it if you wanted to go warm or cool. This one, I believe, I'm going to test it because that's what I remember reading, that it changes from warm to cool. So and that will help, for me it'll help when filming, because with my old one I had to adjust as far as the lighting. If I wanted it to be look a little bit warmer or cooler, I had to manually do it on top of my my camera. So it comes with, of course, the ring light, and here's the stand. The stand is way at the bottom. Come with a cell phone holder so that you could put your cell phone here. I know here you can put on your camera when you're filming. This is the tripod. Yeah, it's like that. And let me see, I have some notes here on how many inches, how high this can go. It says it can go up to 91 inches and as low as 20 inches. So 91 inches, that's really, really high. So there's supposed to be the adapter in here for your cell phone. Yeah, this is the cell phone adapter here. Should be able to fit up in, I'm going to do a test to see if it's going to hold up my phone. I have the iPhone XR, so it's a little bit bigger. I'll be right back. Go ahead and try this. there's a knob here that you want to tilt it or you want to make it straight. So I'm going to go ahead and try and attach my cell phone to this. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And this is the cell phone holder. So I think I'm going to put it on my phone first. And I'm going to take, I think they call this a ball hinge. And I'm going to attach it to the back of this. Hope I'm doing it right. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and slide it in to the position. You can either do it this way, or if you want to, you can do it vertical. So you can, it's either horizontal or vertical. So this will work fine if you want to use your phone. Okay, so, and you would also use this here, like this, and you would make it straight up like this and tighten it, and then you can put your camera on here, your normal camera, like my filming camera, I would put it right here. So normally when I film, I use my ring light and I use 2 soft boxes. Now if I'm gonna film and I'm using natural light, all I don't use the soft boxes, I just use my ring light and then the natural light. So right now all I have is 1 soft box here because I wanted to test this out too. So yeah, let's go ahead and test this out. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and I'm going to get my husband to come and help me because I won't be able to reach the light. And I just wanted you to see what it looks like on my face with the lights, with the different functions, with the warm, the cool, and the dimmable. So I'll be right back. So we're going to go ahead and test out the light. My honey bun is going to help me. So you can turn it on then. Okay, that's like on the lowest. And he's gradually making it up higher. Can you see the difference? It's getting brighter and brighter and brighter. That's max. Okay. So if you can see the difference, I can tell. Oh yeah. And then also this is the highest setting, and then he's gonna go ahead and go with the other dial, which will bring it down to oh, his bone. Sorry. He'll make the dial down on the other side from cool to warm. So this is the cool, and then that's like the middle. You get this combination of cool and warm, and it's getting warmer and warmer. Yeah, now that's the max. Yeah, and you can see the difference. It's more yellowy. And then now he's gonna do the dimming. Let's see the difference on the warm. Now that's off. So yeah, I'm really excited to start using this ring light. I really like the features of it, having it being able to dim, and also having cool to warm without having to change the actual ring itself, and you just do it adjusting the knob. And I'll go ahead and put links down in my description box so you can get your own ZOMEI ring light. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!